Want to be a member of your favorite YouTuber but can't find the join button on your mobile? Don't you worry. I'll tell you what it is right now. But if it does help you, make sure you subscribe, okay? And like the video, because that really helps me out. All right, let's go. So all you do, you go into Safari on your home page, okay? You select that, you go to Google. You then type in YouTube, all right? It loads up the YouTube. And then once you get the YouTube, you go at the top and you search for your favorite YouTuber. In this instance, we're going to be searching for SeliG Roblox, okay? You should also do that. Hint, hint. Then, once you're on this page, it doesn't say join, does it? It just says subscribe. But have no fear. At the bottom, you just press those double A's, okay? It brings up another menu, and it says request desktop website. It then loads up the desktop website. And lo and behold, at the top there, it says you join. You join. And then the join button's all here, okay? You then press the join button, and it opens up another menu. And then in that menu, it will show you all the different perks. You can then join whatever you like, all right? Nice. So if that helps, make sure you say in the comments below, subscribe if you haven't, and like the video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.